Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 1 Leggett Drive in Northeast Ajax. This fantastic community is walking distance to top-ranked schools, surrounded by beautiful walking trails, the Audley Rec Center, golf, shops, transit, and so much more. Best of all, this home is situated on a premium end lot with a 57-foot frontage. I can't wait for you to see the entire home. Let's head on inside and have a look. Here we are inside. This tribute-built Smith model is one of the most desirable within the community. It offers the perfect blend for entertaining, comfort, and elegance throughout. We are here in your family room, offering beautiful built-ins, hardwood floors, and a gas fireplace. Here we are in your gourmet chef's kitchen. It has a large eat-in space with walkout to your own private fenced yard. We have gorgeous granite counters, backsplash, center island, stainless steel appliances, and this perfect Butler's pantry, which offers a servery in between to your dining space. Your formal living space offers soaring high 12-foot smooth ceilings. We have pot lights, hardwood floors, and the perfect space for relaxation. This executive home features 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. All of the bedrooms here are a generous size. We are here in your primary retreat, which features a large walk-in closet and a beautiful 4-piece spa-like ensuite bath. Each of the bedrooms features a walk-in closet. We are here in your 2nd bedroom, which has an amazing walkout to terrace. Let's check it out. The professionally finished lower level offers the perfect space for additional entertaining, work from home, gym area, and we also have a large unfinished portion which can be easily converted into a 5th bedroom with an ensuite bath. So as we call this the entertainer's home, the outdoor space is also a perfect place for your outdoor entertaining. We have a huge deck with gazebo, shed, and lots of yard space for entertaining. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.